What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra is supposed to be the most powerful phone right now with its 8th Gen 1 processor with the Adreno 730 GPU that you can get this device at 8, 12, or 16 gigs of RAM, which I wouldn't recommend the 8 gigs of RAM. Also, it has UFS 3.1 storage, so the read and write speeds are very good. But if you're a mobile gamer, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is a great device. Plus, it has Game Booster to peak out the performance. So let's play some games on the Galaxy S22 Ultra using Dex mode on a bigger screen and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
What happened?
The short version, the cop is on his way.
You promised me you could steal that fabricator without provoking Jin.
This has nothing to do with the fabricator.
Then what did you do?
Jin accused us of taking her people. Yeah, whatever that means.
What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So it's amazing how a device that fits in your pocket have this much power. I always say utilize the device to the full of its potential. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is a portable powerhouse. Plus, if you use a portable monitor plus a Bluetooth device like a gamepad, you could play high-end games with no problems, no sweat here. Now, there's wireless Dex, which is good, but it's probably not as good to play games with. I wouldn't recommend playing games with wireless Dex because the latency may hinder your experience. So I would recommend plugging your device up to a monitor or a TV to play games. So as you can see, I'm playing games here, which is great. Plus, looking at the graphics and the gameplay is almost console quality. So for a device that fits in your pocket, that's awesome, just awesome. Now you do have to have USB Type-C to HDMI if you're using a TV or a monitor that does not support USB video intake. Most portable monitors and most newer TVs support USB Type-C to USB Type-C. If not, then you have to use a USB Type-C to a HDMI cord, which is fine, right? We all know this. This has been around for a very long time. Now, the output is maxed at 60 frames per second when you're doing games, so just keep that in mind. The Galaxy S22 Ultra with Dex and a monitor and a gamepad, you can have a very good gaming experience. Again, utilize the device to the full of its potential. So if you have a Galaxy S22 Ultra, try gaming on it. Or better yet, use Dex on it. You will see a totally different experience. Look, this device does more. And I know the traditional person buys a smartphone for social media, taking pictures, making phone calls. But the Galaxy S22 Ultra can do much more. So utilize the device for what it can do. Look, Believe me, you will love this experience. So give it a try and see what it's all about. So gaming on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is an A+, baby. And plus, it's no overheating. Look, I play a lot of games on the different devices, and I do see a lot of devices just get maxed out when it comes down to heat. Samsung have done a very good job keeping the thermals in check on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S22 Ultra gaming, baby, in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.